How to block a website on Chrome in mobile. So if you want to block a website on Chrome in mobile, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Chrome browser. After opening, go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and then tap on settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, and here you will have site settings. Tap on it. Under your site settings, you need to scroll down, and you will have a JavaScript option. You need to just tap on it, and you need to make sure that it is turned on. Once it's turned on, you need to go with add site exception, and here you need to enter the site or a website. Like for example, if you don't want to use Facebook, or if you want to block Facebook website, then you can just simply add www.facebook.com and tap on add, and after that, if you go and search for Facebook, then it will be blocked. So here you need to enter the website that you would like to block, and in this way you'll be able to block a website in Chrome in mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.